In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the inventory not tracked issue on Shopify. If you're managing an online store using Shopify, it's crucial to keep tabs on your inventory. Ensuring that your products are tracked accurately can help prevent overselling, maintain customer satisfaction, and streamline your business operations. So let's dive into the process of enabling inventory tracking for your products, step by step. The first thing you need to do is head over to your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Products section on your dashboard. This is where you'll find a list of all the products available in your store. Browse through the list and click on the name of the product you want to start tracking. This will take you to the Product Details page, where you can manage all the options related to that particular product. Once you're on the Product Details page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Inventory. This is the area where you'll make the necessary adjustments to start tracking your stock levels. Within this section, you'll see a checkbox labeled Track Quantity. Go ahead and check this box. By doing this, you're instructing Shopify to monitor the inventory levels of this product. This step is key to preventing overselling, as it ensures that your store has real-time information on stock availability. After you've enabled inventory tracking, it's important to set the initial stock quantity. You'll notice a field labeled Quantity. Input the current stock quantity available for this product in this field. Doing so gives Shopify the baseline from which to start monitoring changes as sales occur. Keeping this number accurate is vital to ensuring your sales data remains reliable. Once you've set the desired quantity, remember to save your changes. You'll find the Save option, usually at the top or bottom of the page. Clicking this ensures that all the settings you've just configured are applied to your store. It's always a good practice to double-check this step, as changes won't take effect until they've been saved. Finally, there's an optional setting you might consider. Continue selling when out of stock. If you'd like to allow customers to purchase your product even when your inventory levels reach zero, simply check the box next to Continue selling when out of stock. This option can help maintain sales and customer engagement, particularly if you're able to restock the item quickly or ship it directly from a supplier. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll effectively resolve the inventory not tracked issue on Shopify, ensuring your products are monitored efficiently and helping you manage your business with greater confidence and precision. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on mastering Shopify operations.